Hello everyone, let's talk about today's topic, and today we are going to cover MCQ of this chapter. And let me tell you, we are learning our first chapter, and the name of our chapter is Computer and Electronic Devices. We are solving our book exercises. In that we have seen uh, filling the blanks of this chapter. We have covered true false also. Today we are going to discuss about the MCQs. Okay, so let's start with this. We are having the first question as, which among the following parts of a computer does all the calculations? So over here three parts of computer are given, and we have to choose the which part is used to do the calculation. Okay, so we are having three options. The first option is speakers. So we all are knowing speakers are used to listening music, so it is a wrong answer. Next is mouse. We are knowing mouse is used to move the pointer, so this is also a wrong answer. Now only CPU left. We all are knowing that CPU is used for doing the calculations, so we are having the right answer, and the right one is CPU. The right answer is CPU. Next question we are having, the data and instructions are together known as. The data and instructions both are known as what? So options we are having output. No, because output is when the data is processed and whatever the outcome we are having, that is called output. So this is wrong. Process means when we are doing any kind of calculation on a data, then it is called process. So this is also wrong. Input. Yes, input is the right one because data and instruction both are known as input. So right answer we are having input, right? Next we are having which part of computer process the data? Now which part of computer does the processing? So we are having three options: CPU, monitor and printer. So we all are knowing monitor is used to display the output, so this one is wrong. Printer is used to display the output on a paper, so this is also wrong. So right one is CPU. Okay, now next question is, the result with which your computer gives is called. So after processing, whatever the things are coming, those things are known as what? That's the question mark. We're having the we're having the options as command, output or data. Commands, no. Data, no, because all are the input. So the right answer is output. Okay, so let's once again go through the answers. So first answer is CPU, second answer is input, third answer is CPU, fourth answer is output. So this was your today's topic. I hope you understood each and every questions. Tomorrow we will talk about the question answers of this chapter. So I want to tell you, please go through each and every questions and just be ready with your answers, so that whenever I will discuss the questions and I'll give you the answers, so you can match your answers with the answer which I'm going to give. So that will be easy for you to calculate, to find it out how much you have understood the topic. Okay, then, thank you so much.